Adding and managing employee status in the admin portal is a simple, guided process. To add a new employee, start in the Participants section and click the plus button. From here, enter the employee's information, including demographics and hire date. If you're setting up an HSA, a social security number is required since a bank account will be opened. You'll also have the option to add a shipping address and include dependents during setup. Next, you'll add benefit accounts. Select the plan, set the effective date, and enter the employee's election amount. If you're using Contribution Manager, adding the per pay period amount helps streamline contributions later. You can also include employer contributions if applicable. The system will guide you through a preview where you can quickly review all details before clicking Finish. If no additional accounts are needed, simply skip and the employee setup is complete. If you need to make updates later, just open the employee record and use the edit icon. To terminate an employee, select the termination option within their record, enter the termination date, and confirm. The system will apply the termination moving forward to ensure accuracy. Because of this, terminations cannot be applied retroactively, any prior activity remains, and future transactions will be stopped. Everything is designed to guide you through each step, reducing manual work and helping you manage employee changes with confidence. That's adding and managing employee status, made simply smarter.